now, weather with Chief Meteorologist Jamie Warner.
Well, survey work continues from last week's severe weather outbreak, and additional tornadoes have been found again today. A couple of tornadoes, in fact. So our count is actually up to 29. It's just these things come in sometimes so close to showtime we don't have an opportunity to update the graphic. But I do have graphics that can show you where these tornadoes occurred. One was just to the south of Cassville. It was an EF0. There was also a tornado that was found to have occurred just to the west-northwest of Branson. Also an EF0 with 75-mile-per-hour winds. So again, our tornado count from last Tuesday is now up to 29 confirmed tornadoes here in the Ozarks. And here we go again with active weather. Now, right now, things are quiet. We've got the leftovers of what was an area of rain and some thunder this morning, just some leftover clouds now across south central Missouri and north central Arkansas, but that has kept temperatures a lot cooler there, where it's in the 60s. Notice it's 75 in Springfield, near 80 in Joplin. Things, again, warming up nicely with the afternoon sunshine that we have found across western Missouri and northwest Arkansas. As far as instability, as you might expect with the cooler readings to the east, we're not finding very much, if any, in the way of instability. The instability increases as we head across the state line into Kansas and Oklahoma. And we are watching storms right now, which are organizing across north central and northeastern parts of Kansas. It looks like this activity will be probably the first wave of the overnight period that will try to drop southeast and may impact parts of west central Missouri close to midnight tonight. We have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for northeast Kansas and a tornado watch further south where the air mass is more unstable. Looking at the overnight pattern, looks like we're going to have another one of these low-level jets working in tandem with an upper-level storm. And what I think will happen is we're going to have two different areas of storms. The one area in northeast Kansas kind of builds on off towards the east-southeast. A bigger complex of storms will likely develop over central Kansas, and this too may move into the area around sunrise. As it stands right now, I think the better chance for storms will tend to be along and north of I-44, or actually probably along and north of Highway 60 through sunrise on Tuesday, after which I do expect the shower and thunderstorm activity to sort of wind down pretty quickly during the morning hours. There will be a severe weather risk, especially into west central parts of Missouri, where I think we're looking at mainly a risk of damaging winds, potentially some hail in there as well. Now, once we get into Tuesday afternoon, I think most of the rain fades, and we're going to find that boundary retreating back toward the north, and with it, we will see that chance for showers and thunderstorms going with it. We will be south of that boundary, and it looks like it is going to get very warm tomorrow afternoon with highs in the low 80s, maybe even low to mid 80s over southern Missouri and northern Arkansas. Here's our hour-by-hour forecast. I think this does a pretty nice job of illustrating how the next day is going to go. And again, this evening looks pretty quiet over all of the area. By midnight, though, we'll watch for showers and thunderstorms to work into west central parts of the state, and then this activity will make its way toward the southeast. And again, as it moves southeast across the area, we'll have to watch out for maybe the threat of some damaging winds with that activity. And then tomorrow afternoon, just expecting mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies, and again, warm conditions and mainly quiet weather. But we're not done with the severe weather threat at that point. We still have additional days where we'll have to be concerned with some strong to severe storms, and I think the greater threat for severe weather will actually come on Wednesday during the morning into the early afternoon as a wave of storms moves through. Could find some additional storms late Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and then after that, it looks like we'll see an extended period of quieter weather and cooler weather, too, with highs in the 60s.
All right, just be weather aware again this week. What's our Viewers Club number? I hear we have some good news to share with people.
We do. We had a winner, $300 winner. This is back from Friday night, so we've reset our jackpot to $100, and tonight's number is 145777.
All right, Jamie, thank you. Coming up next, a military